You clicked on this video because of a number, a billion, and an age, 24. You came here looking for a map, a secret formula, a step-by-step guide to achieve the impossible. Let me start by telling you the truth. The map you're looking for doesn't exist. Trying to follow a step-by-step guide to becoming a billionaire at 24 is the very reason you will fail. Because you are asking the wrong question. The real question is not how to make $1 billion by 24. The real question is, who must you become to even operate on that level? You see, the system you were born into is a cage designed for linear growth. Go to school, get a good job, save 10%, work for 40 years. Maybe, if you're lucky, you'll retire comfortably. This path is a slow death of your potential. It is designed to make you a cog in someone else's machine, to get an outcome that is 10,000 times the average. You cannot follow the average path. You must abandon it entirely. The currency of the new rich is not time, it's leverage. I'm going to explain the 3 forms of leverage that can create asymmetric, non-linear wealth. This is the operating system of 0.01%. First is time leverage. You have 24 hours in a day. So does Elon Musk. The person working at a coffee shop trades 1 hour of their time for a fixed wage. Their income is directly tied to their hours. This is a cage. Time leverage is the art of decoupling your income from your time. It means creating something once that can serve thousands or millions of people while you sleep. Writing code is time leverage. Recording a video is time leverage. Building a brand, creating a digital product, designing an automated system. This is time leverage. You must stop thinking like an employee who sells hours. You must start thinking like an architect who builds assets. Your goal is to build an army of digital soldiers who work for you 24/7 for free. Second is skill leverage. You cannot build assets without unique knowledge. But getting a skill is what they teach you in school. The secret is not having one skill. It's about building a skill stack. It's the combination of 2, 3, or 4 skills that makes you a category of 1. Being a good writer is valuable. Being a good marketer is valuable. But being a good writer who understands the psychology of marketing, the mechanics of social media, and the basics of graphic design, now you are a weapon. Stop trying to be the best at one thing. Become the only one who can do what you do. Your skill stack is your unique fingerprint on the world. It is your competitive advantage. Obsessively learn high-value skills, persuasion, coding, marketing, negotiation, and stack them until you are irreplaceable. Third, and only after the first 2, is capital leverage. This is what most people think of when they think of wealth. Using money to make more money, investing, acquisitions. But this is the final step, not the first. Trying to use capital leverage without the income from time and skill leverage is like trying to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. It will collapse. Once your time-leveraged assets and your unique skill stack are generating significant cash flow, then you deploy that cash. You use it to buy back your time, to hire talent, to invest in assets that produce more cash flow. You turn your money into employees that you don't have to manage. So, how do you become a billionaire by 24? You forget the number. You forget the age. Instead, you become utterly obsessed with this process. You wake up every single day and ask yourself, how can I build an asset today that works for me tomorrow? What skill can I learn today that multiplies my value tomorrow? How can I provide so much value to the marketplace that money becomes a side effect? You stop consuming and you start building. You stop being entertained and you start educating. You stop looking for shortcuts and you fall in love with the brutal, lonely work of creating something from nothing. Becoming a billionaire is not the goal. The goal is to become the person who could, a person who thinks in systems, a person who provides massive value, a person whose mind is a weapon and whose time is an asset. Build that person, and the world will have no choice but to give you whatever you want.